Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fix My English. I am Mr. Fix, and I am here with my good friend Maya.
Hi, everyone. It is so nice to be here.
Today, we are just going to have a relaxed conversation about our weekend. This is one of the most useful things you can learn to talk about in English. So listen, relax, and try to speak along with us. And if Maya makes a little mistake, do not worry. We will fix it together. So, Maya, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was really nice. On Saturday, I go to the beach with my sister.
Oh, the beach sounds lovely. Maya, I think you just made a small mistake there, and it is a very common one. You said I go to the beach, but because it was Saturday in the past, the correct way is I went to the beach. We change go to went when we talk about the past. Now, you at home, how would you say it correctly? Say it out loud and put your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Okay, Maya, do you want to try it again?
On Saturday, I went to the beach with my sister.
Perfect. Did you get it right at home? I'm sure you did. So, Maya, was the water warm?
So warm. We stayed there for hours. We swam and we ate ice cream and we just relaxed.
That sounds perfect. I love a slow day at the beach. And you said it beautifully there. We swam, we ate, we relaxed. All past tense. Wonderful.
Thank you. And what about you? What did you do on the weekend?
Well, on Sunday, I visited my parents. We had lunch together and we talked for hours. It was really nice to see them.
That is so sweet. I love spending the time with family.
Me too. Oh, Maya, one tiny thing there. You said, I love spending the time with family. We do not need the word here. We just say, I love spending time with family. So, everyone at home, how would you say it? Say it out loud now and drop in the comments. Maya, try it once more for us.
I love spending time with family.
Lovely. Just spending time, nice and simple. So tell me, Maya, did you do anything on Sunday?
Yes. On Sunday, I stayed at home. I was very tired, so I watched a movie and I cooked a nice dinner.
Oh, that sounds like a perfect Sunday. What did you cook?
I made a pasta. It was my first time, and it came out really good.
Well done. And Maya, here is a small one, very common. You said, I made a pasta. With pasta, we do not say a pasta. We just say, I made pasta. Everyone at home, say the correct sentence out loud. I made pasta and put in the comments. Maya, once more.
I made pasta, and it came out really good.
Perfect. And one more tiny thing, and this is the last one. We would say, it came out really well. Not good, well. But honestly, in friendly conversation, many people say good too. So do not worry too much about that one.
Well, got it. It came out really well.
Beautiful.
So, Mr. Fix, do you cook on the weekend?
Sometimes. But honestly, I'm not very good. Last weekend, I tried to make a cake, and it was a disaster.
Oh no! What happened?
I forgot the sugar. A cake with no sugar. It was terrible.
Ha ha. That is so funny. Next time you should call me. We can bake together.
I would love that. And listen to how natural Maya just sounded there. Next time you should call me. We can bake together. That is perfect everyday English. So before we finish, let us remember the little things we learned today. For the past, we say went, not go. We say spending time, not spending the time. And we say I made pasta, not a pasta. Small things, but they make your English sound so natural. Now here is something for you. In the comments below, tell me about your weekend. What did you do? Where did you go? Just 2 or 3 sentences in English. Real or imaginary, both are fine. I read every comment, and I will gently fix any mistakes for you.
Please write to us. We love reading your stories.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe. Listen to it again, speak along with Maya, and your English will get better every single day. Remember, every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye for now.